It's about 34 inches from the actual desk all the way top. All right, so 34 inches. Today we're gonna bring a desk mount stand with ring light. Now, if you're doing content like I am, you're constantly moving around from place to place. This is actually a pretty good thing to have in place. The best thing about it is that it comes with a USB. You could pretty much use a portable charger just to even get the light going. So it doesn't take too much voltage. We're gonna open it up and see what you get when you get some of this. All right, they include a bulb head, so you can actually have flexibility if you're gonna add your phone or other things, accessories. Pretty good. They give you an Allen wrench. This is to tighten up and fasten the whole thing. And then they give you the actual desk mount grip and the actual phone adapter, so you could add this to your existing system. And the best thing about it, I'm going to show you guys how slim this thing is. Zip ties, Velcro to tie it up, not zip ties, Velcro. And we're going to get the LED light. Look at the LED light. Perfect ring light. We're going to set it up. We're going to put our phone here. We're going to try it out. We're going to set it up on our table here, and you're going to see how it works. All right, so sometimes these things don't get to grab very good, but this one actually has a rubber end at the end, so it's going to get a good grip. Stretchable hand for anything. It's heavy duty. You guys can hear it's heavy duty. This is all steel, and every single one has an Allen wrench fastener, so you could fasten every single corner. So if it's too tight, you can loosen it up. Right now it's really tight, so we're gonna loosen it up a little bit. But look at this end. This actually, you can mount your camera here as it is, a web camera or anything you want. But right now we're gonna actually mount the ring light. All right, so if you're doing videos on your own, pretty much, this is something you can do. The flexibility of the actual elbows on everything on the actual system is very good. The light control is one of the best things I like about it, because you could actually have it in your tone. You could change it however you want, to natural look. Now, the phone wise, you could switch in different directions, vertical or horizontal. Now, I got the largest phone set up on this system, and it's an Ultra. It's a Galaxy Ultra, which takes the whole space almost of the entire ring. But if you're gonna do TikToks or anything else, you could even put this on the sideways. Now, the elbow is very flexible. I like that you can move it different directions. The flexibility of the actual phone, if you guys can see, you can move it any direction you want. And say you're gonna move to the left, you could do this, flex it, and flex it up. And you could have different directions. So if you want different backgrounds, if you don't want everybody to see your background, this is a perfect thing to do. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.